back to Mixed Area. I am your Pet Shan, and today is yes. So as you know, I've said before in my last week video, on every Wednesday I'm gonna try out new websites, new app, or anything that you want me to try, products or anything you want me to try. Just leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll try it out for you. Give my best honest reviews, and to let you know if it's good to be used or not. So today we're gonna try out something different. If you're someone who is desperate in needing money, or you really want like side income just from staying at home, here's the thing: when you go on YouTube, if you type such things like, oh, how can I make money from home, you have different suggestions coming up to you. And so what I'm trying out today is if these things are true. Because some people have told me, some YouTubers, they say, oh, this will work, that will work, and you'll get $500 per hour if you do such thing. And then nothing works. Most of them. Or maybe we just don't know which is legit. So let's get started. Okay, I got my laptop and you're gonna see my screen recording right now. If you can see, this is my screen recording right here, and that's my icon there. Please do subscribe, yeah? Anyways, let's type out and see, okay? Making money from home, okay. As I am scrolling down, you can see there's so many type of suggestions just coming up. 1 year ago, 3 weeks ago. Oh, okay. You see, they say even by listening music you can make money. I really don't know if this actually works, but yeah. You know what? I'm gonna try this one. Who's this? Luxury call. Oh, okay. They say you can earn $128 per 20 minutes by listening music. Let's check out if this is true. Okay, as you can see, this video is made this year on the March, so let's try out.
How much time you're wasting listening to music for free. And of course, the website we use for this again is called. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Luxury Code. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make money on Spotify just by listening to music online. Of course, almost everyone streams music online, whether it's on YouTube or if it's on Spotify or maybe on Apple Music. I'm going to show you how to make money with all those apps with the website I'm going to show you in this video. So if you already listen to music, you have been, that's right, $12 per song just by listening to it. You don't have to do anything for it. As long as you listen to it, you will make $12 for every single song. And imagine if you could listen to 20 or 50 songs in a single day. That is how much you guys can make in a single day with this method. So be sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any of the steps I'm going to show you. So here is the website we're going to use for this strategy today. It's called playlistpush.com. Now, I've featured this website before on my channel and I reviewed it before, but I think it deserves a second revisit because a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a second video on this because you have more questions and you're still curious about how to make money with this website, and that is why I'm making this video today. So here we are on the homepage. Here.
Okay, let's just go try out. What is this? Playlist, play. Oh, la. Playlist push. How can I earn money? Ooh. So basically, people with Spotify, you can try out this, I guess. If you manage a large Spotify playlist that meets all our requirements. Let's see what kind of requirement it is first. Because right now I know a lot of people own this app, the Spotify app. Yeah, Spotify is basically a music app. But yeah, Spotify is basically an app where you can listen music for free. And so they say play push, as what it says, right? You need requirements to earn money. So let's just see what the requirement is. Before you can apply to become a play push curator, you must own at least one playlist that meets all our minimum requirements. Congratulations, guys. Minimum 1,000 followers per playlist. Bro, I don't know what's going on.
Go in here and do that, but this video is gonna be tailored.
Ads. Another thing that YouTubers always do, ads. Never mind, my Wi-Fi is slow. Okay, here's another thing. Playlist listener activity requirements. Minimum 30 activity monthly listeners per list. Minimum 1%. Oh my god. You see, this is every YouTuber's technique, especially to people who say, oh, you can make money easily. This is the trick they do. You see, on YouTube, your subscribe is not that much of importance. You know, your subscription is not that much of importance. What is more important is your duration of view, of, you know, how long are you watching that video. You see, so far I've watched this video for about 7 minutes. Okay, yes, I did cut here and cut there, but it's because in this video that he's doing, he didn't even talk about the requirements or anything. He's just basically talking about, oh, you know, what do this play push have, and you know, how can you make money from it. He didn't talk about the requirements. Okay, look at here, just look at here. Most of the comments, right, they're basically just recommending their own channel and stuff. But here's one comment, it says here, who's this? Okay, all the videos this guy make teaching how to make money online does not work. Don't waste your time watching his video. Okay guys, here's the thing. He said you should go on Play Push to, you know, make money and stuff. But he never mentioned the requirements that they need. The requirements are here. I'm basically like showing you. Let me just make it bigger for you. Okay. You see, before you can apply to become a Play Push, you know, the curator or something, I don't know how to pronounce this thing, you must own at least one playlist that meets all of our minimum requirements outlined below. You see, they have lots of requirements, like I stated in the first place. Minimum 1,000 followers per playlist. That means you need to have a Spotify account, and you can't immediately make money. No, you have to have 1,000 followers per playlist. Per playlist, not your account, but per playlist. And then you have to have 30 active monthly listeners. 1 active monthly listeners. What is this fake follower requirements? Okay, so they say, oh, you must be 100% organic, 100% real people. Okay, then they say, we do not accept the following playlist types. They even have requirement for what kind of playlist that they want. Movie, series, soundtrack playlist. Okay, playlist that change their title to attract followers. Playlist for a specific album. And they never specify what kind of playlist they want. Lord. Okay, I'll stop the screen recording right now. Here's one thing that I need to explain to most of you. Okay, to whoever is watching this video, one thing that you might be saying, oh, maybe she never checked properly. Yeah, Spotify very easy to get, subscribers. So Spotify very easy to get followers. I am telling you, it's not that easy, okay? Even if you have Spotify, I don't know, you can go and try. You can go ahead and try. You see, this is most YouTubers' trick. Some YouTubers are just not genuine on what they are doing. You know, they say, oh, you can make money like this, you can make money like that. But end up when you try it, right, it's just a waste of time. But here's the thing, they're wasting your time, but they are using your time. Why? You see, on YouTube, this is how YouTube makes money. YouTubers make money. When you subscribe a certain channel, it doesn't help the YouTuber that much. But what helps is the views. Like even right now, if I'm making videos, I want to see how much of views do I get. That's why it's very important for each YouTubers to do good video. But the problem is here. If you don't do genuine YouTube videos, it's gonna affect a lot of people. You see, some people might be even going online to search, oh, how can I make money online? Because they want to find out, you know, what other way do they have to, you know, maybe they are trying to find out a way on what other ways do they have to just, finish up their problems. So such YouTubers that give wrong informations, give lag informations, and we viewers, we are the one who's getting cheated. Basically, they are scamming our views. You know what? Here's the thing. You go and try. If you go and try out other people's video on like how to make money, if it works, comment down below and let me try it, and I want to see if it's true or not. So that is why I made such video. This is not to criticize or it's not to criticize anybody. But the point is, if you're making video, try to make it genuine lah, because you don't know who is watching your video for purpose. You don't know who is watching your video for some purposes. If you're making a video on how to make money, do it genuinely, do it properly, because people actually want to make money. Even if I was able to do that, I want to make money, yo. So yeah, that's it. That is all from me. I want to go and take a rest because I am actually very, very disappointed. And yeah, I am your Pet Shine, and if you want me to try out any other websites, any other products or apps or anything, if you want me to give you my best honest review, do comment down below what kind of apps or what kind of website you want me to try, and don't miss out every Wednesday. Try, and I'll just try and give my 100% honest reviews. And that's it from me. I'm your Pet Shine. Bye, and I'll see you again.